Namaskaram. Welcome to my channel Living Consciously. So today we would be making a dosa, but a wheat dosa or gehu dosa we can say to it and I would be serving it with beetroot chutney. So let's get started. So what all we need for this is 1.5 cup of atta or a wheat atta and half a cup of suji, salt to taste, half a cup of curd, it's a homemade curd, then 1 to 2 spoons of coriander and like 8 to 10 curry leaves which I have chopped. So what we will do is, we'll take a pot, we will add atta to it, then half a cup of suji, curry leaves and coriander chopped, curd, and we will add salt to taste. Now we will mix everything. We will add water to this. We'll add little by little and we will mix it. So this should be the consistency. Now we will keep it aside for 10 minutes. Till our batter is resting, we will see what all we need for beetroot chutney. So this is 1 cup of beetroot which I have peeled and chopped into small pieces, half a cup of fresh coconut which I have chopped, red dry chilies, 1 or 2 depending upon how much spicy you want, a small piece of ginger, then 1 spoon of urad dal, 1 spoon of chana dal and some oil and few curry leaves. So this all we need for the chutney. So let's get started for the chutney preparation. So we'll take a pot. We'll add little bit of oil to it. In this we'll add chana dal, urad dal, we'll fry it till it turns golden, light golden in color. Now it has turned to light golden color. In this I'll add 1 dry red chili, 1 small piece of ginger, and then we'll add the beetroot to it. To this we'll add 1/4 cup of water and salt to taste. Now we will cover this. Now we will cover this and cook it for 10 more minutes. So it's been 10 minutes now. And you can see that all the water has been absorbed and it's been cooked well. So we'll just close this and we will transfer this to mixing jar. To this we'll add the half cup of fresh coconut which we have chopped. So we will just let it cool down for 5 minutes and then we will grind it to the smooth paste. So you can see that I have grinded this to the smooth paste. Now we will prepare the tempering. So for that I have taken a pot. In that we will add little bit of oil, some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, once it's crackling, we'll add some curry leaves and we'll put the tamarind on the top of it. So beetroot chutney is ready. Now let's start doing the dosas. So the pan is hot now. So I've kept the pan. Now you can see the dosa batter has been rested properly. Now I'll add the batter at the center and then slowly we will spread it. Now we'll add the oil. You can even use ghee if you want. You can see that the dosa has started to get golden red. I'm using the iron tawa. So it's better to use iron tawa instead of non-stick. So it's been cooked from both the sides and the dosa is ready to serve. We will do another dosa in the similar way. Put a little bit of oil. You can see how nicely it's been done. So it's been done from both the sides. So we will serve it now. So the wheat dosa and beetroot chutney is ready to serve. So do try this dosa and chutney, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment and share to my channel. Thank you so much. Namaskar.